Hi, this is John. Welcome to another video. Today I'm introducing the new Contextual Taskbar, which Adobe has added to the latest version of the Photoshop Elements editor. And I usually start off with a new document, a new blank document, by pressing Ctrl N on the keyboard. And Adobe has remembered the last document I saved, which was 1920 by 1080 with a resolution of 72, and that's what I want to use again. So I just click OK and I get this blank document, and straight away I'm being prompted logically to import a photo. I mean, previously I would have had to move the pointer to the top menu and choose File and Place. So this is much more efficient with just a single click, and I can import an image and it gets placed into the blank file. And have various options depending on what you've brought in. You can rotate the image, or you can flip it horizontally to change the composition, and just click done when you're finished. Or you can click cancel, and that will take you back again, and you can bring in a new photo instead of the first one. And I'm going to just kind of put this with a white border all around it. I'm just eyeballing this. And if I click done, you can see it places it quite nicely. This taskbar, if you don't want it in the editor workspace, you can actually move it by clicking on the left hand dots here and dragging it somewhere. And I like to keep it at the top next to the three main modes. And if you click on the three dots, you can pin it into the position and it will stay there. Now, some people may find this a bit intrusive and don't want to see it at all, and there is a way to switch it off by going to the window menu and unclicking, and it disappears and will remain hidden. One little trick is to use the taskbar for making selections. So if I click Select Subject, you can see automatically the subject gets selected, and then I can use the taskbar. We see we now have a choice of inverse or deselect. So I'm going to click on inverse, and so the subject is no longer selected. Instead, the background is selected. And if I go to the AI section in the tool panel, I can click on this Insert Object button, which can also be used for generative fill. So I'm going to click once, and as you can see, the selection gets filled with the overlay. And I can just type something into the box. I'm going to just paste something in by pressing Ctrl+V. And as you can see, there's a green field with blue sky and trees in the distance. So let's click Generate. And it takes a few seconds to generate the fill, and there we have it. I can't see any trees in the distance on that one, so let's have a look at number 2. Nothing in the distance with trees. That one, the background is a little bit blurry. That's actually quite nice. And this one, we actually have some trees, so that's kind of the thing I more had in mind. So I'm going to save that one. So I hope you like this idea to use the selection and inverse for generative fill. So I just thought I'd make this quick video to introduce you to the new Contextual Taskbar. I hope you like it, or if you don't, you know how to deal with it. And that's all for now, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.